Alright, good morning. We're gonna go for a tiny little run. We were gonna go for a hike, but the park's too far. But here's Josie. Look at her. She's like, where are we going? What are we doing? Look at that eye. Okay, see you later. Alright. We are not home. We are at my parents'. And in my parents', there's a giant, and I mean giant, tunnel. And it's gonna be Josie's first time going in. Josie. Good. Okay, we made it to a park. Not the park I wanted to go to, but it's still a good park. Oh no, we're still working on the leash pulling. Some days she's good, some days she's like, screw you, Mom, do what I want. But so is life. We'll keep trying. She's not too horrible. Okay. This is seriously nice. This is in the middle of a city. I thought it was going to be concrete, but this is actually pretty nice. There's more stuff over there. This is actually legit. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, there's some turtles. I don't know if you can see them. No. Darn. They're right there. You can't see them. But we got some turtles. They're doing the horizontal tango, I think. Gotta have her on her leash. Because we are in the city. Found it. I found the turtle. Uh-oh, went away. And we are done. So I got him a puppuccino. Here you go. Look at that focus. Look at that face. You think she's enjoying it? Hmm? You like it? Oh, I'm sorry, you're busy. Wait, she just took it. Well, that's it for today.